Good morning, students. In our last video, we discussed about school library, its objectives and functioning, etc. The link of the same is given in the description of this video. Today, we will discuss about what a library collection includes and major sections of the library. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. What is a library? Library is a collection of sources of information and similar resources made accessible to a defined community for reference or borrowing. A library collection include books. Books are a handwritten or printed works of fiction or non-fiction, usually on sheets of paper, fastened or bound together within covers. A library's collection can include periodicals. The word periodical is related to period, as in a certain length of time. Periodicals are published with a regular length of time between issues and are described by that length of time, whether it is daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual. A library's collection can include newspapers, a printed publication usually issued daily or weekly, consisting of folded, unstapled sheets and containing news, features, articles, advertisements, and correspondence. A library's collection can include manuscripts, a written or typewritten compositions or document as distinguished from a printed copy, also a document submitted for publication. A library's collection can include films, a thin flexible strip of plastic or both material coated with light sensitive emulsion for exposure in a camera used to produce photographs or motion pictures. A library's collection can include maps, a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. A library's collection can include documents, a piece of written, printed, or electronic matter that provides information or evidence or that serves as an official record. A library's collection can also include CDs. Compact disc, as you all know, is a digital optical disc data storage format. The format was originally developed to store and play only sound recordings but was later adapted for storage of data, which is also called CD-ROM, read only memory. A library's collection can include cassettes, a sealed plastic unit containing a length of audio tape, videotape, film, etc., wound on a pair of spools for insertion into a recorder or playback device. A library's collection can also include videotapes, a recording of visual images and sounds, as of television production made on magnetic tape. Also, the magnetic tape used for such a recording. This tape is now not in trend. A library's collection can include DVDs, a type of compact disc able to store large amounts of data, especially high resolution audiovisual material. A library's collection can include Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc, which is also called as BD or BRD, is a digital optical disc data storage format. It was designed to supersede the DVD format in that it is capable of storing high definition video resolution such as 1080 pixels. The plastic disc is 120 millimeter in diameter and 1.2 millimeter thick, the same size as of DVDs and CDs are. A library's collection can include e-books, an electronic version of a printed book that can be read on a computer or handheld device designed specifically for this purpose, a dedicated device for reading electronic versions of printed books. A library's collection can include audiobooks as well, an audio cassette or CD recording of a reading of a book, typically a novel. Major sections of the library. General reference section. It houses general encyclopedic work including dictionaries, almanacs, atlases, directories, handbooks, manuals, indexes, abstracts, and etc. Periodical section. It houses all local and foreign journals, magazines, newspapers, government publication, vertical files such as pamphlets, brochures, and newspaper clippings. General collection circulation section. It houses the main collection of the library, books on philosophy, religion, social sciences, language, arts, pure sciences, applied sciences, literature, history, and geography. Children's section. It houses children's books, educational toys, and board games. Multimedia and internet section, used for searching and browsing the internet. Thanks for listening. Please share the video and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the like button if you found this video useful. Thank you so much.